CES is the place we all come to talk about technology today, but almost more importantly, how it will shape the future of tomorrow. We're going to experience computing unleashed, where computing gains a new dimension, from that two-dimensional world to a three-dimensional world. RealSense can be extended into every facet of our lives. Unlike most cameras, RealSense can see and understand depth. This tablet is 6 millimeters thin, the thinnest tablet available today. It also has the first of the 3D RealSense capabilities.
I found a great mouth-watering recipe for wings on the Food Network website. So I brought my laptop. I want to show you, well...
That looks like my daughter's laptop half the time, yes.
Yeah, this is what happens when you bring your laptop into the kitchen and you use it with yucky fingers, right?
Yep.
Using my voice, I'm going to start that clip. Play video.
Mustard. Here,
so this seems pretty simple. I take my spices, recipe, right in, right? And if I want to scroll to the end, I simply make that gesture, and it lets me scroll.
You'll no longer be chained to your computer by wires. We can completely live in a wire-free world.
As you can see here, using Intel's high-speed WiGig interface, I'm able to connect automatically to all my peripherals, not just keyboard and mouse, but monitors, network, printers, and even external hard drives. No wires at all. Very simple and very easy. And actually, as long as we're on that whole easy theme, I think I'm going to take it one step further and get rid of those passwords that I can personally never remember. The TrueKey from Intel Security is a cross-platform application that lets you replace those passwords with multi-factor authentication, such as face, fingerprint, and device proximity. So you don't actually need to remember those passwords. So let's show you a little bit of what that experience is like. So we'll assume I've selected the facial recognition as my option here. It's going to scan my face, looking for my unique facial characteristics that it associates with me. Okay, now it recognizes me. Good job. And now that I'm in, all these secure websites I can access with just a click. I don't need to remember the password anymore. Couldn't be easier. So everybody can relate to that one. All right. Now, once again, we were talking about no wires before, and we covered the peripherals, but we left out the important power cord. That's the one everybody wants to get rid of. This table is actually equipped with wireless power charging. So if a system like this that's similarly enabled, you can actually just put it on the table, and you can actually have it wirelessly charge for you. As you can see there, I just put it down. It's wirelessly charging, very simple. And just to show, no wires. Nothing to do. You can put down your, this is my 2-in-1, but phones, tablets, whatever you've got that's equipped, you just put it on the table and it will charge for you. No wires.
That's the world I want to live in, is a wire-free world. Thanks,
Exactly,
Diana.
sure.
Hi, Colin. For those who don't know, it's Colin's the CEO of iRobot. I kind of expected you in person, though, I've got to admit. Not in robot, but maybe. Can you tell us a little bit about what you've created here?
Well, Brian, this is Ava 500, our video collaboration robot with autonomous navigation. It allows me to effectively teleport wherever one of these robots can drive to. So even though I'm in Boston, I can join you all here today. But more importantly, we're really pleased with the collaboration with Intel that enabled us to integrate the RealSense 3D cameras onto Ava in just 2 weeks.
We're going to try the first ever drone ping pong game to demonstrate the drone's ability to avoid a moving object. So let's put 2 of the drones down, and we'll use this drone here, and we're going to play a little drone ping pong, simply moving the drone between us. You see the drone continues to try and stay in one position, but we'll keep it from going in the audience, avoiding us at all times. I can tell you we played this in a conference room one day, and it was pretty exciting. The mannequin has RealSense technology, and you can see it on the side screens as well. It has a RealSense camera in the front, and these 6 sensors around the body. And as I approach it, you'll see it go from blue to red as I get closer. And there's also a vibration that lets the wearer know. You can see I'm approaching from the right, I'm approaching from the left now, and the mannequin continues to see as I move around. Can you just tell us a little bit, how was it like to use this technology?
Sure. When I'm wearing this jacket, I'm able to feel the changes that are happening around me. And this is really important because my ability to respond to visual cues is really, really slow. In fact, often I don't respond at all. However, my ability to respond to that sensation of touch is immediate. And this technology captures that sense around me and then translates that information into subtle vibrations, which basically allows me to fill in the gaps that I've missed.
We've made them so small, they're like the button on this jacket. I'd like to introduce you to Curie. Curie is the next generation in computing. Let me show you what's inside. This module contains a Quark SoC, Bluetooth low energy radio, sensors. It's power efficient, can run for extended periods of time from a coin-sized battery or a rechargeable battery. In addition to Quark, we've also added a dedicated sensor hub processor and pattern classification engine that allows it to identify different sporting activities quickly and precisely.
So with a partner like Intel, I think of all the functionality that we can compress into a very small space, into a beautifully designed pair of glasses, will change the sport industry for us, as well as change the lifestyle construct of our culture.
Tell us a little bit about how Nixie works.
Yeah. Nixie comes with you throughout your day. And whenever there's a moment that you want to capture, like being on stage at the keynote, you just flick it off your wrist. And now it's actually ready to go. You don't need a remote control. You don't even need to take the cell phone out of your pocket to control it in some way.
Okay, let her go.
Yeah.
I'd like you to tweet the following picture with the hashtag #FlyNixie. That's live, that's real.